Day 18 of the Irish Coast cycle saw me waking up on Baginbun beach where I'd camped overnight and setting out on a trip that would take me to Wexford during that day. So I was coming off Hookhead, which is a lot of very quiet roads, and indeed I would say almost this entire day is characterised by nice, pleasant, quiet roads until I got near Wexford city and then of course hit some traffic, but we'll talk about that when I get there. So after enjoying the dawn at Baginbun, I pushed my bike back up onto the road and made sure that I had, as usual, left no trace behind me. Here's a last shot of where I camped, and then went on down to Fethard. Baginbun was the original landing site of the Norman invasion of Ireland, and this area is now marketing itself as the Norman Way. There's quite a lot of old Norman castles, for instance, in the area, and so from Fethard I then headed down along the coast. This is kind of like cycling around estuaries. I passed an old IRA memorial, quite a few of these scattered around the country, and of course the other bookend to the Normans. This one is to 5 volunteers who died in 1920 while constructing IEDs from explosives that had been stolen from Hookhead Lighthouse. Close to the IRA memorial is a shipwreck right by the road, in fact, and then the rest of this coast there are some beaches, but it's mostly very quiet back roads. EuroVelo 1 is along this route. It's coming from Rosslare or going to Rosslare depending on what way you're doing it, but I was stopping in Wexford town where I treated myself to a pint and found somewhere to lock the bike. Quite a challenge, in fact. Apologies for the rather brief entry and lack of photo and video today. I think I had not slept very well that previous night, and in fact I'd booked myself into a cheap hotel to catch up, but I also was short on battery power. Anyway, hope you're enjoying the series and do give the channel a follow so you catch the future ones.